Hi guys, how to download Valorant for free on PC or laptop. Now, open your web browser and search for Valorant, or go straight to playvalorant.com to skip the junk results. This first step saves you from fake download links. Click the big Play for Free button. Then enter your email address, birthday, and create a username and password to set up your Riot Games account. Here is the secret. Use an email you actually check because you'll need to verify it later. Once your account is ready, select the PC platform and click the download button to save the installer file to your computer. Keep watching because the next step is where most people get confused. Locate the installvalorant.exe file in your downloads folder, double-click it, and click Install to set up the Riot Games client. This part takes about a minute, so don't panic if nothing happens right away. Open the Riot Games client, sign in with your new account, and click the Install button inside the client to begin downloading the full game files. Heads up, the full download is large, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. That's it. You are now downloading Valorant.